Variable product is simply a product which allow customer to choose various options like color, flavor, sizes, etc. This is known as attributes. To create a variable product, first go to the attributes page. You can find the attribute page under products in the left menu. Attribute can be flavor, quantity, color, weight, value, etc. To add a new attribute, click Add Attribute. All you have to do is to fill in a relevant name and the slug will be automatically generated. Click Save to confirm. To populate the actual choices under an attribute, go back to Attribute page and click Configure Terms under the specific attribute. You can create a new choice by just filling up the name and click on the button to confirm. Now to finally create a variable product, go to Products page and click Add New button. Find Product Data drop-down list and choose Variable Product. Click on the Attributes tab next. On the right side, choose an available attribute and click Add. Click on Select Terms and choose all the type of attribute choices you would like to have for this product. Check on the option used for variations, click Save Attributes. Next click on the Variations tab. Choose Add Variation and click Go button one time to insert one variation. If there are 3 variations, you need to click on Go button 3 times. Click on each variation to expand the section. You can fill in the variation details and price. Click on the Publish button to finalize the product. You're done.